bro, what's going on? Alright guys, coming with Timmy Son's new rig. We got the CT Sound 7K. Things look massive, beautiful too. Got that white polish shine finish on it. It's got some excess power batteries. He's gonna give me a quick little demo here. Looking good, man. Are those Mayhems?
Yes, sir.
It's got 4 15-inch Mayhems, center slot port, Timmy Son. My God.
Yeah, watch it put on. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Over here, start bitching. Yeah, I know. Well,
oh, man. How'd you feel about that?
That's pretty good.
That was pretty good? That felt nice, YouTube. Oh, man. Looks like we gotta chill out a little bit because it's not the right time. But you gotta give it up for Timmy giving us that big ass demo. That was nice, man.
I'll get you later.
He'll get me later. What you got a screen name, right?
Yeah.
What's it called again?
Hey, it's Tang.
Hey, it's Tang.
Oh, wait, YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, hi, it's Tang.
Hi, it's Tang. That's great, guys. Thanks for checking that out. Damn.